Hey everyone, here's my honest review of this battery handle for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. It's very lightweight and comfortable to hold, and it gives you an additional 30 or so extra minutes of record time, which is ideal, especially for long record sessions. It also has a 1/4-inch thread at the bottom for tripods, and at the back it has the female USB-C for charging. It's very easy to use. You just want to align it like this with this button here facing up and push it in until you hear that click sound. And you'll see the green light turning on, and over here the display will turn on showing you the battery percentage. And you'll see that both batteries are shown on the screen, which indicates that it's connected properly. It's also very comfortable to hold. Even if I don't need the extra charge, I just find it very comfortable to hold, and you're not blocking the microphones. And if you want to release it, just push this button here again and just give it a wiggle and it will come off. Even if you don't need the extra charge, it's just more comfortable to hold your camera. So I would definitely recommend this product. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.